And today guys, I'm going to cook champorado. Kunti lang niluto ko kasi wala nang kakain, wala na tayong mga mahal sa buhay dito, nagsipagbukod na sila. Kami na lang ni Michelle ang kumakain nito, pero si Michelle hindi rin siya ganang kumakain dahil sa sobrang busy. Tsaka anyways, ihahalo ko pala nitong tablia ay this one. Somebody gave this to Michelle and I cooked already this last week and it was really good. I don't know where she bought this tablia. It's really good. Yeah, uubusin ko ang isang buo nito. Ayun ang walay lipod-lipod. So, dalawang balot pala ang laman. Yeah, masarap talaga ito. Masarap. Tapos, ubusan ko ito sa niluto kong champorado. Ayan, papahaba. Sabi nila, yeah, uy, yung cute. Yung cute ng mga laman. Cute ng laman yung tablia na iris. Ubusin ko siya. I'm gonna put this one over here. Tsaka yung isang balot. Para masarap ang kainan sa ating champorado. Yeah. This one, right? Look at that isang balot, guys. It already turns to chocolate. And I will add more para masarap. At meron tayong condensed milk dyan. See? It looks really chocolate. Lulutuin muna natin ang ating glutinous rice. Hey Google, please alarm for 30 minutes. Okay, so we will just wait for 30 minutes and everything's done. Yung isang friend ko, nilalagyan niya ng gata. I tried it but I don't like it much. So I prefer a simple one. Just the glutinous rice plus the cacao and with condensed milk later. So Kim, just come over and have some hot champorado.